How does things like alcohol play into this? Because you're living a crazy life where your dopamine and your brain is being tested in all different ways. I remember Liam saying to me, this is really when he started to have a problem with alcohol in the early years of the band. And I'll never forget it, him talking to me about the mini bar in the room. Like, one of the things I didn't realize is, okay, you've just been out on stage in front of 100,000 people, then you're back in a hotel room with a mini bar.
I feel the pull from alcohol, and I definitely drank quite a bit when I was in the band. But I think an important distinction post-show would be I'd smoke my weed. I'd go back to my tour bus and I'd go and smoke my weed, and Zane would smoke with me too. I hope he doesn't mind me saying that. I'm sure he won't. And that was great. And actually, like, you know, people do things for different reasons, and that was my vice. That was my choice. Now, the reason why that kind of suited my brain at that time was I've just had all this noise in my head. I've just had this crazy experience on stage, and that's the noise that you kind of need to quiet down sometimes.